Hello and welcome to Shurley English Online Help. To get started installing the Shurley portal on your Mac device, let's begin by going to our homepage at www.shurley.com and let's click the Login button at the top right of the page. Now on the Login page, enter your email address and password associated with your account and press the Login button. After doing so, this will bring us back to the home page. Let's click Online Services in the top left corner. Here you will see three tiles. Let's click the Downloads tile. This will bring you to our software download page. Click the Mac icon underneath Desktop, Laptop, Computers. This will begin the download for the Shurley Portal install file. Once that is completed, find it in your Downloads folder and open it. This will open a window with the Shurley Portal logo and the Applications folder. Please click and drag the Shurley Portal logo onto the Applications folder. This will install the Shurley Portal in your applications. Once that is done, you can close the window and then find the application Shurley Portal in your Launchpad. If you attempt to open the Shurley portal and see this error message, it is because it is not allowed in your system preferences. To allow it in your system preferences, let's click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your desktop. Then find System Preferences. Once the System Preferences window has opened, locate the Security and Privacy button and click on it. Here we see a message telling us that the Shurley portal was blocked, and next to it, a button that says Open Anyway. Let's click that. This will bring up another message window. Click the Open button. This will allow the Shurley portal to be used on your Mac. If you do not see the error message detailing that the Shurley portal was blocked, instead click the lock icon in the bottom left corner to unlock your system preferences. Note, you'll have to be an administrator to be able to do this. Once you put in your administrator's password and username, then specify that you would like to allow apps from the App Store and identified developers. At this point, you can relock your settings and close the window. If you have followed all of these steps successfully, you can now use the Shurley portal on your Mac device. If you have any questions or issues, please feel free to contact support@shurley.com. and myself or another representative will be able to assist you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.